channel. Today I am going to teach you all how to make Lord Shiva's Lingam using turmeric. Things you need are turmeric, raw milk, a small plate and a little bit of turmeric water. Even you need a round spoon and a normal spoon. Let's start. First, we will put a few spoons of turmeric in the plate. If you want to make the lingam a little bit bigger, you can mix a little more turmeric. Now I will start adding a little bit of raw milk. We are adding raw milk because so that the lingam can come smooth. We will mix it slowly. Make sure you add a little. Mix well till you get a soft little bit of turmeric water so that it doesn't get cracks. You will get one small ball and put that ball inside the round spoon and press it. And now we'll remove it. After removing, you will get a smooth half circle like this. We'll make it a little tall by pressing at it and we'll make it a little bit of flat. Now I will make the same size half circle like that. Make sure you press it softly so that its shape is proper. also tall by pressing it softly. that when the turmeric dries, it joins properly. We will take the end part of the spoon and press it lightly. The circle is very smooth and round. Now we will make it a little bit tall. Now we will attach it on the top of the two half circles. Attaching, press the half two circles and now we will make a fat line and join it to the corner. After joining it, your turmeric simple lingam is ready. It will take 24 hours for drying. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and don't forget to click the bell icon. You can even decorate by keeping some leaves and flowers on the top. Thank you. Don't forget to share and comment. Even this lingam is eco-friendly too. You can reuse it for making any other